Ever felt lost in a shopping maze? You need a new laptop. But which one? Reviews are confusing. Ads are overwhelming. You just want the best deal, without the hassle. We've all been there. It's a modern-day dilemma. We spend hours researching, comparing prices, and reading reviews. Yet, we're never truly sure. Are we getting the best value? Is there a hidden gem we're missing? The search for the perfect product can feel like an endless quest. It's time to simplify this process. Amazon affiliate marketing is a game changer. It's a win-win for both shoppers and marketers. As a shopper, you get access to curated product recommendations and exclusive deals. As a marketer, you can monetize your passion by recommending products you love. Imagine this. You're a fitness enthusiast. You find a fantastic blender, perfect for protein shakes. You share it with your friends through an affiliate link. They buy it, and you earn a commission. Simple, effective, and rewarding. Amazon affiliate marketing empowers you to shop smarter and earn money. It's like having a personal shopping assistant who also pays you. Let's explore how this powerful tool works. The process is straightforward. You sign up for Amazon's affiliate program. It's free and easy. You get a unique affiliate link for every product on Amazon. Share these links on your website, social media, or even through email. When someone clicks your link and buys the product, you earn a commission. The commission varies depending on the product category. It can range from a few percent to over 10%. It's a passive income stream, all from recommending products you already love. Think of it as word-of-mouth marketing, but digitized and monetized. You're recommending products, just like you would to a friend. But now, you're getting rewarded for your valuable advice. Let's look at some real-life examples. A food blogger recommends their favorite kitchen gadgets through affiliate links on their recipes. A tech reviewer shares their top picks for laptops with their followers, using affiliate links for each product. A travel enthusiast documents their adventures and recommends travel gear through affiliate links on their blog. These are just a few examples of how people are leveraging Amazon affiliate marketing to earn passive income while helping others shop smarter. The possibilities are endless. Any niche, any passion can be monetized through affiliate marketing. It's all about connecting the right products with the right audience. As a shopper, Amazon affiliate marketing offers numerous benefits. First, you get curated recommendations from trusted sources. No more wading through endless product listings and confusing reviews. Second, you can discover hidden gems and niche products you might have missed otherwise. Affiliate marketers often specialize in specific areas, offering expert insights and personalized recommendations. Third, you can often find exclusive deals and discounts through affiliate links. Many marketers negotiate special offers with brands, giving you access to the best possible prices. For aspiring affiliate marketers, the benefits are equally compelling. First, you can monetize your passions. Whether it's tech, fashion, or anything in between, you can earn money by recommending products you love. Second, it's a low-cost, low-risk business model. You don't need to create your own products or handle inventory. You're simply connecting buyers with sellers, earning a commission for your efforts. Third, it's a flexible and scalable business. You can work from anywhere, anytime. You can start small and gradually grow your audience and earnings over time. Amazon affiliate marketing is a powerful tool that can transform the way you shop and earn. It's a win-win for both shoppers and marketers. As a shopper, you get smarter recommendations and real rewards. As a marketer, you can turn your passion into a profitable business. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace the power of Amazon affiliate marketing. Start shopping like a pro and earning like a boss. It's time to navigate the shopping maze with confidence and make the most of every purchase. Remember, every click, every purchase can be a step towards a smarter, more rewarding shopping experience. Join the Amazon affiliate marketing revolution today.